Hello guys, this is Help&Tech&You. Once in a while, maybe you face with the problem of the OBS Studio is already running. Please close it first before installing a new version, or simply OBS is already running. So let's see what are the solutions for this problem. So let's see, firstly, why are you getting this message? This message mostly appears when you already launched the OBS Studio. That covers for the program start or the installation start too. You can try to click launch anyway or cancel, but nothing really happens. Or you want to initiate a new installation, but the following problem shows up. The first thing to do is open up the task manager. The first thing to do is open the task manager by pressing down Ctrl, Alt and Del, or you can right click on the up icon on the bottom right corner and pick task manager. You need to find the OBS Studio. Right now it's running for me, and you should end the task. You may not find it at the first sight, but keep searching for the OBS Studio. The next thing to do is go into the details and find again the OBS, especially OBS 64, and end all of them. The second step, it's an easy one. Just simply restart your computer. After a full reboot, all of your programs will stop running, and if you accidentally start the OBS or the installer, it will stop as well. Also, it may use some add-ons or scripts which is running in the background. Then after the reboot, start again the whole process. If the previous steps doesn't solve your problem, then you should go along. Now we will delete the preference settings of the OBS Studio. Start the run and type in app data. On the browser, find the OBS Studio and delete all the contained files and folders. Right now, keep in mind that it will erase all of your preferences, including your scenes and profiles. The following step is the most crucial one. You need to uninstall OBS Studio and Windows settings, apps and features. After uninstallation, install a new version of OBS Studio. And if nothing helps you, please let me know in the comments. But last, after everything you tried, you can reinstall the OS. You shouldn't need to reach this tab, because if you tried anything but nothing happened, then something with your computer is the problem. If you have some progress, like you can start the program, but after the initiation it's disappeared, you should check other videos on Help&Tech&You. Thank you. Goodbye.